Hey guys, so today I'm here to show you a little cheat code on how I get my hair from this to this in just about 20 minutes using clip-ins from Curlsqueen. Everything comes packaged in this nice box. It comes with some really helpful items included, such as a wig brush, very handy, some extra clips, and this adjustable satin bonnet, which is great for preserving a hairstyle. And here are the clip-ins. So I got the coarse yaki clip-ins in a 20-inch length. As you can see, the hair is not bone straight. It does have some texture to it, which I like. Thought it would be perfect for blending with my natural hair. Clips are attached to the underside and the wefts are pretty flat. Now with any extensions, I always recommend washing them before install, and that's what I'm doing here. I put them all into a tub of warm water, made sure the hair was fully submerged. Then I took some shampoo and agitated the hair to get it all ultra clean. Submerged again to get the shampoo out. And now I'm taking one clip-in at a time and applying conditioner to it, detangling with the brush that was included. Once the clip-ins are all detangled, I ran it under some warm water to rinse away the conditioner, and then I just left them all to air dry overnight. Next day, fully dry, hair is clean, super soft, and ready to go. Okay, so I had my hair in these plaits air drying, y'all know how I like to do by now, and I'm gonna take these all down. Next, I'm sectioning off some hair to use as my leave out. Then I'm also going to section off a tiny bit of hair along my edges, as you see me doing here. Clip that to keep it contained. Then I'm making a part to divide my hair into two sides. Take each side and split it in half again. And for each of those 4 sections, I'm brushing it out with a paddle brush to make sure it's fully detangled. Then make a cornrow. And these don't have to be super neat, you just want to get your real hair as flat as possible. Okay, we got our 4 cornrows. Now take the ends of each one and bring it up and wind it so it's flush with your head. Then using a few bobby pins, pin the hair down so it stays in place. Base is set, and now we can go ahead and install the clip-ins. So they come in different sizes, and I always start with the longest size first and work my way down to the smallest size. Pop all of the clips open, and starting from the back of the head, I'm going to bring it over and position it so the ends of the clip-in meet both edges of my head. Once the position feels about right, I'm going to take those combs and slide them into my hair and snap the clips closed to secure. And I always secure the ones on each end first so the placement stays, and then I go ahead and close the middle clips. Take the next piece, which is another 5 clip one, and brush it out to ensure no snags. Open up the clips. I'm feeling where the previous piece was laid, and then I'm moving up a few finger widths distance, getting it in a good position. Slide the clips down into my hair, then press the clips closed. And I noticed how thick and full this hair was after only 2 clips, which is great. They're also very secure, no moving around, the hair is not going anywhere. So yes, 1 pack of clip-ins is certainly enough for an entire head install. I'm continuing on brushing out each clip-in. For the next one, bringing it right up to the edge where I sectioned off my hair. Same thing for the other side. And then keep working my way up. Now once I get all the way to the top, I'm taking these short clip-ins and bringing in line with the part that separates where my leave out starts. And you can see what I mean right here. And I'm just going to go all the way around that section with those short clip-ins. Brush out the extension hair. Then take down my real hair. Gonna make a middle part. I applied a few drops of this serum on my leave out hair and I brushed it through. Then flat iron my hair to blend with the clip-ins. Only took about 2 minutes, and now I'm taking this edge control, applying some of that around my perimeter, then brushing my edges back and giving them some shape. A few more passes with the flat iron to make sure my hair and the clip-in hair are merged, and that's my secret on how I get this undetectable install super fast with the help of clip-ins from Curlsqueen. And I really love how the yaki texture works with my flat iron natural hair. So the link to these clip-ins will be below in the description box, so you guys check it out. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye!